Alright, so hello, this is Donald from 2017. I'm a senior. So I'm the last bell player, so I figured probably should make a video for any bell player who comes after me so that you can possibly learn these things. So I'm going to try and split up these videos into as many as possible. This one's just kind of a test one. Keep in mind this is on the floor and I have no better way of filming this. So, yeah. So, I obviously can't play at full speed to start with. I need to teach you it. So, we're going to start with the favorite, Crazy Train. And again, these are only drumline songs because there is not a single piece of music for them that I can find. So, I'm making this easy for you and teaching you how to. So, start off. Alright, so that is that. It does repeat because you play that thing whole twice. The second time, you get to ad-lib, or at least you get to mess around with the part. So long as it fits in that time zone and you work with the key it is, which is, pretty much these two, that one. Yeah, just kind of mess around with it. Sounds pretty good. It's really hard to screw up Crazy Train. Me personally, what I do is I just do the first one normally, and then the ending one, and then I have two that I made up. Again, this isn't perfect playing, obviously, this is just me trying to make videos. They're yours to do. So long as, if there's two ball players, make sure you get them down together. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter. Do what you want. So yeah, adios, and I guess I'll be back with Shipping Up to Boston next.